Hello, my name is Hamza Najeeb. I did my bachelor's in computer science from KITE. I graduated with the batch of 2017. The reason why I chose KITE is because when I attended the open house session here at KITE, I understood the vision that KITE had for its students. And when I joined from my first day till my last, I had a great experience. KITE's T-shaped model enabled me to gain knowledge in a diversity of courses ranging from design, computer science, and business, and it gave me the skills that I needed to pursue my dreams in life. KITE's faculty is so great. The teachers are all professionals, they have work experience, and they are always available to their students. For a computer science student, it's very important to have a skill-based learning environment, and KITE achieves this by having different courses in C++, Java, PHP, Python, and web development. It also has courses for data structures and logic building. My favorite course at KITE was for the one which it had for machine learning. It included models such as regression, classification, and neural networks. And I believe to be part of the future and the fourth industrial revolution, artificial intelligence and machine learning are the way to go. Before I graduated from KITE, I had found a good job. The interviews were based on my personal projects, skills, knowledge, and ideas. Now I work for a well-reputed company in Karachi and have a salary between 60,000 and 70,000. I would recommend KITE to all students. It has a great positive environment and it also provides creative and internship opportunities.